First, Whitey Bulger captured. We're working developing news on the notorious mob boss court case.
Today, prosecutors asked to drop one of the many charges against Bulger while a federal judge postponed his decision on whether to appoint Bulger a public defender.
Target 12 investigator Tim White joins us now with the very latest developments.
Mike, Susan, unlike last week, Bulger was silent in court today. The judge has two issues on his plate, including whether or not the taxpayers should foot the bill for Bulger's attorney. Under heavy guard, a U.S. Marshal motorcade brings James Whitey Bulger from a Plymouth, Massachusetts prison to federal court in South Boston. Inside, U.S. Attorney Carmen Ortiz announced she wants to drop a 1994 extortion case against Bulger, telling the court prosecutors want to focus on the more serious 1999 indictment that accuses Bulger in 19 murders. In the filing, Ortiz writes, a jury finding on any single act of murder, if coupled with a finding on one additional predicate act of racketeering, will subject the defendant to a sentence of incarceration for the remainder of his natural life. Family members of those allegedly killed by Bulger support the move.
He's an old man. Time's not on our side. I think it's a good idea to fast track it, to drop it. This guy's wanted for 19 murders.
I think it's a great idea.
Why?
Because then we'll get to the murder cases a lot faster, because this is all going to be drawn out. So it makes me happy. In
another matter, Judge Mark Wolf declined to rule on whether taxpayers should foot the bill for Bulger to receive a public defender. Last week, the 81-year-old reputed gangster boldly told a judge he could pay for his own lawyer if the government returned the $800,000 in cash the FBI seized from his Santa Monica, California apartment. Bulger and his longtime girlfriend, Catherine Gregg, were arrested last week after 16 years on the lam. He's accused of murder and running a lucrative and ruthless criminal organization, all while being a high-level informant for the FBI. The court may rule on the two issues by the end of the week. The judge also asked prosecutors to get to the bottom of leaks to the media. It stems from a report over the weekend that Bulger was traveling to Mexico to buy cheap heart medication. Live with the Target 12 investigators, Tim White, Eyewitness News.